jealous if you wake up fall in love with the Tempest sounds, the way we make it live. We put your melodies, feeling relaxing to the very end, yeah. You gotta be tripping or jealous if you wake up fall in love with the Tempest sounds, the way we make it live. We put your melodies, feeling relaxing to the very end, yeah.
Let the script in your mind, baby, you just unwind. I'm gonna take you somewhere we could chillin'. You ain't gonna have to worry, I'll take your stress away. We gon' cruise all night long while fun is playing. Set all your thoughts aside, you're in for one hella ride. I'll be the captain of this craft conversating. On what to God knows where, baby, I'll take you there. Let's never come back to where we'll be hating. I know you won't believe it, but I know that I can save you. How else would you want to life? So trust me and follow me now. I gotta be for only you and me. The one we in the face is the key that this is fading. It was meant to be. You gotta be tripping if you can fall in love with this Tempest sounds. Don't hesitate, come on, it's time for.
You gotta be tripping or jealous if you wake up fall in love with the Tempest sounds, the way we make it live. We put your melodies, feeling relaxing to the very end, yeah. You gotta be tripping or jealous if you wake up fall in love with the Tempest sounds, the way we make it live. We put your melodies, feeling relaxing to the very end, yeah. Take into the life of a tempest. Welcome to my world. I show you these things you ain't seen before. Lady, you can like it. I'ma let you have it as long as you be down with us. As long as you be down with us. So just be yourself. Release what's stressing you. Do what you wanna do. You don't have to point at anybody. You are a Tempest party. Fakers and haters, definitely not invited. See ya in your best behavior. Do yourself a favor, but we're just a later. And I will show you what I've been telling you about. It's good and baby, it's all for you. You were so powerful when you think you were that. It wasn't easy, but I know you're not. I feel a lady, I know you're more than that. You're more than that. So just marinate with us. It's not the perfect match. A cute chick supposed to be with the cute girls.
I'm traveling another special room. Now we be doing this for the love. So since they take me out with round. You know we gotta stop having it. So it's just for this one for you. We gonna go see the Evans with this Tempest Sounds-J-WiLL. So now forget all this diversion. They're just gonna elevate your tension. Release your mind from a physical person. Never to mention you need a meaning. Take my hand and be yourself. Cause you will never leave your side. So let's just slowly run you will be like a single round of fire now. So let's go on this lap. Baby, show me what it means. Hidden things, many things, stupid things.